In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front window regulators on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located inside the door panels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel. Use a trim tool. We just want to get underneath here. You can use a couple trim tools. Just pop it out. There you go, just pulls out, it's just clipped in. We're going to take this panel off, just use a trim tool, just get underneath here. Pops out, it's a connector. We're going to disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these bolts out. Now with the trim tool, we're just going to get behind this bracket, pull that off, take the bezel off where the switch is, just slide it up, pull that out. You might need a trim tool if it's stuck in there a little more. We can disconnect the connectors, push down on the tabs, slide the connectors out. There's a screw right there. Take a 10mm socket, take that out. I'm just using a trim tool. We're going to go around the perimeter, pop the clips out. Clipped in a little bit, and it comes right off. I'm going to pull back the vapor barrier. If you need to, you can use a utility knife and cut the butyl tape. If you need to, you can add more butyl tape if it's not sticking. And you go to put it back together. We're going to connect the window switch so we can lower the window, plug the connector back in, turn the key in the on position. We're going to lower it to right there so we can see where the bolts are. You want to turn the key off. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. If you need to, use a magnet. Pull that out. We'll do the same on this one. I'm just going to support the window, make sure it doesn't fall while I take this bolt out. Take that out and grab the window. Slide it up all the way. I'm just going to take some masking tape and tape the window up. Make sure the window is clean, otherwise it won't stick to it. Disconnect the connector, just push down. If you're having trouble, you can use some pliers. Pull that off. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. And up top, you're going to take this one out, and the other one we just got to loosen. Same 10mm. Just loosen this one. You don't have to take it out because it is slotted right there. There's one more over near the motor. Same 10mm socket. Grab the regulator, slide it up, slide that bolt out, up in the back, and it comes right out. I'll take this last bolt out. We're going to transfer that over to the new one. And get that started right there. Just make it easier to install. Slide this in. Bolts in there. Make sure the connector comes through that little window. And get the bolts started. All right, those are all started. We're going to tighten those down. Connect the connector. Line that up. That's good. That's just going to sit there. Now we're going to lower the regulator down where for that bracket so that we can access the hole where the window is going to be. And about there is good. And turn the key in the off position. Remove the tape on the window. Make sure you hold the window while you're taking the tape off. Now lower it down. Get it onto the bracket. That's good. Take the bolts. Get those started. Tighten that down. Snug that down. Now take the vapor barrier and just slide it back in place. Push it down. And if you need more butyl tape, you can add some if you need to. Just push it, get it in the same location as it was. Now we can disconnect the connector for the window switch. Pull that out, just push down on those tabs. Now take the door panel and make sure you pull the wires through. Top lined up. Get that all lined up. Just push it down in place. Now I take this screw, get this started here, and tighten it down. Snug that down. Now connect the window switch. Both connectors. Just get this to line up. Clip it down and take this bracket, get this lined up. Clip it in place. Put these screws in. Snug these down. And the other screw up here. And we'll tighten this down. Take this cover, plug in the switch for the mirror, lock that in place, get this lined up. Clip it down. Now take this bezel, line it up. Make sure it's lined up and clip it in place. Now turn the key in the on position. You're going to push the window all the way down. Then we're going to hold the button up. Hold it for 5 seconds. Then we're going to push it down, hold it down for 5 seconds after it's all the way down. Then you can release. Then your automatic windows work up and also down. Good. Turn the key in the off position.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.